The blind area of large vehicles is an important cause of traffic accidents. Because of its large body, it is easy to cause collisions with pedestrians, cyclists, or other vehicles. Real-time monitoring of pedestrians or vehicles in front, rear, left and right of the vehicle using vision intelligent vehicle sensors. According to the vehicle speed and target distance information, alarm information is sent to the driver, so as to avoid pedestrian collision accidents. Multiple targets can be detected simultaneously and tracked continuously, making the warning range more reliable. The BSD function can also be integrated with other AI recognition functions in the same terminal. These powerful AI recognition functions work together to protect the driver's safety.